Welcome back to Next Gen Auto Hub. In the late 1990s, the automotive world was undergoing a quiet revolution. Families were beginning to demand more from their vehicles: space, safety, comfort, and the reliability to carry them through every chapter of life. And in 1997, Toyota stepped forward with an answer that would redefine the modern family van, the Toyota Sienna, first generation, known internally as the XL10. This wasn't just another minivan, it was Toyota's thoughtful response to the needs of families, crafted with precision, practicality, and purpose. The story of the first generation Sienna begins in Georgetown, Kentucky, where it became one of the first Toyota vehicles built entirely in the United States. It was designed specifically for the North American market, larger, safer, and more comfortable than the Japanese market estimate, yet built on familiar foundations. The Sienna shared its platform with the Camry, known for its smooth ride, refined manners, and bulletproof reliability. This combination created a van that didn't just haul people, it made every journey effortless. Under the hood, Toyota equipped the Sienna with the 3.0-litre 1MZ FE V6 engine, producing around 194 horsepower and 209 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, the Sienna delivered quiet, smooth, and confident power enough to handle long highway drives, family vacations, and daily errands without complaint. The front-wheel drive setup ensured predictable handling, while the suspension, tuned for comfort, gave it a ride quality closer to a sedan than a van. At its core, the XL10 Sienna was designed around family practicality. It came in 3 trims: CE, LE, and XLE, each offering a blend of utility and convenience. Inside, Toyota focused on maximizing space and comfort. The van seated up to 7 passengers, with removable second and third row seats that made room for luggage, strollers, sports gear, or anything a family might need. Sliding doors on both sides made access easy, especially in tight parking spaces, and the large windows created an airy, open feel. But what truly set the Sienna apart was Toyota's unwavering commitment to safety. The late 1990s saw growing concerns about family vehicle protection, and Toyota responded decisively. The Sienna became one of the first minivans to feature dual front airbags, available side airbags, anti-lock brakes, and side impact door beams. Its rigid unibody structure, derived from the Camry, gave it exceptional crash protection, earning it high safety ratings in its class. For parents, that meant peace of mind, something no option package could ever replace. Stylistically, the 1997 Sienna carried a conservative yet elegant design. Its rounded lines, smooth contours, and short front overhang were a reflection of Toyota's 1990s design philosophy, form following function. The front fascia featured simple, integrated headlights and a modest grille, while the rear design prioritized visibility and access. It wasn't flashy, but it exuded a quiet confidence, a car built to serve rather than to show off. Inside, the dashboard was ergonomic and uncluttered. The controls were intuitive, with clearly labeled buttons and large dials that could be operated with ease. The driver's position was high and commanding, offering excellent visibility, something that parents valued greatly. Cup holders, storage compartments, and clever folding seat arrangements showcased Toyota's attention to everyday usability. Even the base trim came well equipped, while the XLE model added luxury touches like wood grain trim, premium audio, and available leather upholstery. When it came to driving dynamics, the Sienna surprised many. Reviewers praised it for being more refined and quieter than competitors like the Dodge Caravan and Ford Windstar. Its Camry DNA gave it car-like behavior, composed, stable, and smooth even at highway speeds. Noise insulation was excellent, and the suspension absorbed bumps with ease. It wasn't sporty, but it was serene, a van that made long trips genuinely relaxing. Toyota also understood the importance of efficiency. The 3.0-litre V6 returned around 18 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway, numbers that were impressive for the time and contributed to the Sienna's reputation as a practical, economical choice for growing families. By the end of its production run in 2003, the first generation Sienna had proven itself beyond expectation. It wasn't the largest or the most stylish van, but it was dependable, refined, and built with Toyota's signature attention to detail. It helped establish the Sienna nameplate as a household favorite, one that would continue to evolve through generations while staying true to its family-first philosophy. Looking back, the 1997 Toyota Sienna, XL10, was more than just a new entry in the minivan market, it was a cultural milestone for Toyota in America. It combined the reliability of the Camry, the practicality of a van, and the safety families demanded into a single, cohesive package. It became a trusted partner for parents, a mobile living room for children, and a symbol of everyday dependability. Decades later, the legacy of that first Sienna still echoes through every model that bears its name. Because when Toyota built the XL10, they didn't just design a vehicle, they created a family tradition. Thanks for watching Next Gen Auto Hub, and as always, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep driving toward the future.